Hello everyone, this is Kim from Manuel. Thanks for watching this video. And today I will show you our new item, the GTR Series Bait Boat. You can see the GTR Series is bigger than the normal boat. The size is 76 by 30 by 25 centimeter. It can load more than 3 kilogram bait, very suitable for heavy bait and actual equipment. The brushless motor provides steady and reliable power, can up to 300 meters per minute. It's very fast. And equipped with a 40 ampere hour battery. So it's just one battery can allow you to have a very long fishing trips. So if you want a bigger boat, very fast, stable, the GTR Series is your good choice. This is the controller for the GTR Series. It's 100% waterproof and with a screen to display a lot of the information of the boat. Yeah, very good for control.
This is the controller. You can see here is a screen to display a lot of information. And here is the signal status. Here is the battery of the boat. This is the battery of the controller. Here the status of the hopper, the hook release, lighting, the fish finder. You can see here is the depth of the water, and here is the temperature of the water. Here display the distance between the boat with the fishing spot. Here display the distance between the boats with the home point. And you can see here this area is set Lake A. So you can select 5 different lakes. And here is the home point, and number 1 to number 9 is you can set 9 different fishing spots. And for the control method, a joystick is move the boat. And here this is the home point button. Click to see the home point. Hold to delete the home point you set. This is the fishing spot button. Click to go to the fishing spot. This is the fishing lake button. You can see click to change different lakes. You can see A, B, C, D, 5 lakes. And here left button and right button to adjust to select the number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see. And after you select number, if you select number 1, click OK to save the number 1 fishing spot, and hold OK button. You can delete the fishing spot you set. And this is the hopper button. Click to open the hopper. This is the speed adjusted button. Click to adjust the speed level. You can select 3 different speed level, and hold the speed button. You can enter the calibrate method. And here's the back to home point button. Click, the boat will back to the home point directly. And this is the lighting button. And here is the sensor button. Click to open the sensor in the boat. For example, the water depth temperature sensor or the fish finder sensor. And here, this is the hook release button. Click to open the hook release. And here's the power switch. But you can click to enter the menu. You can see that there are different many functions. Home pass, spark pass. This function is used to adjust the boat. For example, if the boat from the home point to the fishing spot, it cannot go very strict. So you can use this to adjust it to back to the straight. Very strict. Yeah. And for next, auto bait. So the auto bait function is just when a boat arrives at the fishing spot, it will open the hopper and back to the home point directly. And in 1K, you don't need to control anything. And the return word, so it means the boat will back to the home point if the battery volt is lower than what you set. And the start speed, cruise speed, and arrive speed. So you can adjust different start speed and arrive speed. It means it could start slowly, quietly, and arrive to the fishing spot quietly, slowly. And the ESC adjust is for the engineer, so you don't need to adjust it. Use the joystick to just go down. So drop angle and hook angle is for our engineers. And the drop return is very easy. It's just every time the boat arrives to the fishing spot, it will open the hopper directly. The RC auto off is only for the controller. If you forgot to close the controller after you're fishing, it will automatically turn off when you 15 minutes after you close the boat. The language is English and Chinese, and click the joystick to save the setting. Before you use the GTR, please make sure the signal data is good and the battery for the boat and the controller is good. Before use, please make sure we need to set the home point first. Click the fishing lake button. You can see you can choose 5 different lakes, A, B, C, D, E. So now today we take lake C for example, and click home button to set the home point. When the color turns yellow, already set. Okay. Before use, we suggest to do the calibration. Hold the speed button. The boat enter the calibration. Normally we recommend you to do second time. The first time is about 10 meters far from the shore, and the second time you can choose the middle of the lake. If 2 times, the boat will be very, very accurate. So now we just need to wait the boat stop. Okay, finished. Now we can go to the fishing spot we want to set and click the joystick to enter the cruise mode. Click into the cruise mode. Okay, we can take here for example, close the joystick to close the cruise mode and use the left or right button. Select the number. We take here as the first fishing spot and just click OK button. Now the 1 turns to yellow color, and you can see the distance between the boats with the home point is 62 meters. Okay, then we can go to the second one, enter the cruise mode. When in cruise mode, we can adjust the speed, use the speed button, click slow. This is the second level, and this is top speed. So 3 different speed level could be choose. This is the top speed. We take here as the second fishing spot, and we just need to select number 2 and click OK. Now it turns to yellow color, finished. Okay, okay, let's keep going. You can see the boat is very fast. Okay, we take here is the third one. Select number 3 and click OK button. So if we want to go to the first fishing spot, just select the number 1 and click the Go to Spot button. The boat will go there automatically. And if you want to delete the point you set, hold the home button, hold to delete the home point button, home point. And if you delete the fishing spot, just hold the OK. When you select number 1, hold OK. Number 1 has been deleted, change to white color. Okay, let's go to the second one. Select number 2 and go to spar. Okay, arrived. You can see the distance 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 meter. Okay, from the home point is 116 meter, and we call it back. Just click this home button, back to home point button. The boat will back automatically. So if you want to open the hopper, just click the hopper, and want to open the light, just click the light button. If your boat equipped with the fish finder or a depth temperature sensor, just click this sensor button to open it. And this is the hook release. Just if your boat equipped with the hook release, just click to open it. Okay, now it's back. So click the hopper button. Arrived. Open it. You can see hopper opened. But next I will show you the function. Click the switch button to enter the menu. You can see here is the home pass and spot pass. What's the meaning? In some region, different countries, I think the magnetic field is very strong to let the boat cannot go very straight. But we can use this function to adjust the boat, let the boat go very straight. And click the joystick to save the set. Now the value 5 is correct for here. You can see we test here. Now we go to the number 1 fishing spot. Click. And now the boat is going straight. It's a good situation. Now arrived, and we call it back. You can see the road is very straight. It's very good. But in some region, I learned that from customer feedback, the boat cannot go that straight. So I can adjust the value to show you the Now enter the menu, and if we make the number bigger, let's see how changed everything. Now we change the number to 15 degree, and the home path means from the fishing spot back to the home point, and the spot path means from the home point go to the fishing spot or from a fishing spot to another fishing spot, and click to save. And then now we test it. So number 1, go to number 1. Then you can see we adjust the value to 15. Then the boat will turn to the right side. So if in your country, in your region, when you use the boat is like this situation, we just need to adjust the value to negative. Maybe if it's 5, we can change it to -5. And we call it back. Because the home pass also we change to 15, so it also will turn to right side. Just like circle. So if the boat turns to right side, we need to change the value to negative, and if turn to left side, we just need to change the value to positive. Okay, into the menu, with it back to 5. And click save. Now we test it again. Go to the fishing spot. Then back to straight. So you need to adjust the boat. If your boat in your region has a problem with the boat cannot go straight, please adjust the value to negative or positive. And maybe 2 or 3 times you can find a great value to make the boat straight. Call it back.
Then for the next step, we'll show you another function. Our boat has the function of the auto bait. What's the auto bait meaning? It's just that the boat will, when the boat arrives the fishing spot, the hopper will open automatically and the boat will back to the home point rightly. Okay, it tests it. Into the menu, choose the auto bait and open, click to save. And we go to the fishing spot, test it. Yes, the boat back in. I have no any control. Yeah, it's a very smart function.